Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to add green screen effect inside Instagram Reels. For that we need to go to Instagram account and here we need to click on your story, and I was clicking on camera and go to here we have different types of effects. So like this, slide it, and here we need to click on, wait for a few seconds. Here it is, and we need to come to search bar. Here we will see we need to click on browse effects. You need to click on browse effects and it will see different types of browse effects. So here we have a symbol of search symbol, click on that. I was clicking on green screen. Here it is how I was clicking on green screen, and you need to click on here green screen, and it have an option of change background. I was click on change background, and I was taking background from my gallery like this. And if you have different types of scenario scenes means, as clicking on here we can see different types of scenes here like this. Thank you.